how to turn off TalkBack on an Android phone. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off TalkBack on your Android phone. If you see the TalkBack shortcut icon on your screen, simply tap it once to select it, then double tap it to turn off TalkBack instantly. If you don't see the shortcut, open the Settings app. Since TalkBack changes how touch controls work, you'll need to tap an item once to select it and double tap to open it. In Settings, tap the search bar and slowly type TalkBack. Once TalkBack appears in the search results, tap it once and double tap to open it. Depending on your device, you may need to tap TalkBack again to access its settings. Next, tap Use TalkBack or the TalkBack toggle switch, then double tap it. When prompted, select Turn Off and double tap again to confirm. Once TalkBack is disabled, your phone will return to its normal touch controls. That's it. You've successfully turned off TalkBack on your Android phone. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.